welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. So today I have a quick video to show you guys how to use black lip liner in your lip combos, how to incorporate it into your routine or whatever. So if you want to see how I use it, I don't know why the girls are afraid of it, but anyways, we're gonna debunk that. We're gonna get rid of that today. Then just scroll down, hit the subscribe button, join the Natt Gee gang, and let's get into this video. So tired. So I was at the drugstore because I go to the drugstore, and NYX has these lip liners, and they're just basically basic ass lip liners, but I got the colors brown, espresso, and blackberry. And I was like, let me just see what they're saying because I'm running low on like variety. And when I tell you guys these things, these joints is smooth. So this is brown. Look at this. Nothing drying. Like a solid line. I was like, as soon as I opened them up, impressed. So here are the rest of the swatches. This is espresso, so like a darker brown. And then we got blackberry. And then it got me thinking. So then after I picked them up and I took them home and I looked at them and I swatched them, I was kind of like, I'm noticing the girls aren't really using black lip liner the way that they should be. And I don't mean like the people that are using it are using it incorrectly. I mean that I don't see a lot of people using it. And it's kind of like, what do you have to be afraid of? So I thought, why not show you some banging lip combos to do with black lip liner? I did want to show you guys what they look like and what they swatch like, just so that you know that they are pretty smooth, pretty good quality. I probably fear for them drying out, which is usually what happens with affordable lip liners. However, if you just put the cap on right after you're done, keep sharpening, plus they're only like $5, it's not that bad compared to a $30 lip liner drying out. You know what I mean? Like my MAC liners are $30 a piece basically. I think it's like 23 something plus tax. So to me, I was like, you know what? I need to find not an affordable way, but I am trying to save money more this year. So if I can like skimp on some things, I can buy 4 of these in the price of 1 MAC liner. So it's like, even if it does dry out, I can just go get another one. So that's what I was thinking. But let's get into lip combo number 1. So once you've lined your lip with the black, take a very light nude shade. So in this case, I'm taking Eartha by OpuLust Beauty, which is one of my favorite nudes. And she's a cool tone. She's a cool tone nude. So let's put this on top to see what we're working with. And then all you need to do is top it with a nice gloss and you're done. So in this case, I'm going to be using one of the Fenty Beauty Holiday Gloss Bombs. This is Cake Shake. And that's it. I honestly think it just looks scary when you don't have gloss on. And it just gives you a little bit more than like a brown would. You know what I mean? Adiola, wanna roll with a geezer. Option number 2 is with a pinky color. So this is MAC's Amplified Lipstick in the shade Cosmo. Because this one's a little bit more juicy, it doesn't look as scary as Eartha did, but it's giving auntie nonetheless. Not even gonna deny it. So for gloss, we're gonna use Pat McGrath's Flesh Fantasy Lust Gloss. Like, this is what it's looking like. The next shade we're gonna do is something more mauvey. So I'm gonna use Gimme Kisses Boo Millions Matte Liquid Lipstick. Don't forget to use code KISSES for some money on. And to top it, we're gonna be using NYX Cosmetics Cinnamon Roll. I love this one. Now we're gonna go into a purple, like a very, very purple. This is Men Love Listerine. Men should love Listerine. Men Love Mystery by MAC. And I'm going to top it in Pat McGrath's OpuLust Gloss in Lavendering. Now I know this one looks a little ghoulish, but I still think, depending on your skin tone, depending on the hair, the makeup you're wearing, serving. That's just my opinion though, like you don't have to wear them. I just think that these are cute options. Now we're gonna use it over a brown, which I think is a very good way of adding dimension to a very deep brown lip. It's very hard sometimes for us brown skin girls because we want the lip to have dimension, but oftentimes there isn't a lip liner that's deep enough to the dark brown. And then we're gonna go in with Gimme Kisses Boo's Manifest. Again, use code KISSES to save some money. I blended this one in a little bit more, so I'm just gonna go lightly over it with the black again, just to make sure I have a nice defined lip line. And honestly, if you wanted to stop and leave it matte, you could. And it'd be very, very grungy, very, very 90s grunge like moment. But we're gonna top it in Fenty's Cookie Jar. This is their cream gloss bomb. Because these are cream and we want the black to shine, I would recommend being very sparing, because these are very opaque glosses worth every single penny. And with the gloss, this is what it's looking like. Again, I'm trying to figure out why the girls are afraid of black liner when it's clearly doing the thing. Girl, get you some black lip liner. Stop playing. And with that, like, oh my gosh, this lip looks so good on me. Whoa. I might have snapped. Are you seeing this? You guys, you guys are this. Okay, let's move. This is supposed to be a quick video. Anywho, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope I showed you a thing or two about using black lip liner and the different ways that it can be used. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any questions, comments, or concerns about anything I did today. And as always, subscribe to me. You pay my bills, right? Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.